If you want to get the maximum amount of profit from a website, you need to get as much traffic as you can. If you want to get the maximum amount of traffic to your website, you need to get to the top of Google. And if you want to get to the top of Google, you need SEO, or search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing a website so that Google will be more likely to index it and ensure that it ranks highly for the most relevant keywords and phrases. For example, if you have a website that sells hats, then you might try to get it to rank for the phrase buy hats online. To do this, you will go through an optimization process that would involve both on site and off site strategies. With any luck, you would eventually be able to get your website to the top of the SERPs, that's the search engine results pages, for that term, and thereby attract a huge amount of traffic. More importantly, that traffic would not just be from random visitors, but would instead be from specific people who are looking for hats. Better yet, those people will be looking for hats at the very point they came to your website. Why else would they search for hats? Which means they're ready to buy, and it should only take a small push to get them to make that decision. SEO can be a slow-going process, but it's still possible to climb the ranks and get your website to a point where it will start getting more and more organic traffic from searches. SEO essentially works by attempting to second-guess the algorithms used by Google to decide which sites to index and where to rank them. Google works by using bots, an index, and an algorithm. The bots, also known as robots or spiders, are small pieces of code designed to head out onto the web and look for content. They read web pages and they add that content to a massive index which Google can use as a reference. From there, Google will then use an algorithm to identify which content in that index is relevant to which search and which is offering value to the end user. Ultimately, the aim of Google is to help people find interesting content that will be relevant to what they're looking for. This involves a lot of factors, and the algorithm will look at how many links the content has, how visitors behave on that website, and the use of key phrases within the content. If a word or phrase is repeated often enough, then it is possible to deduce that said word or phrase is likely to be the subject matter, and thus should come up in searches for matching terms. SEO basically works by predicting and guessing how the algorithm works, because no one can be completely sure, and then using that information in order to engineer your website to get the maximum number of hits. It means gaming the system, and this in turn can allow you to trick Google into believing that your site should be number one. Of course, it's not quite that simple though, and actually, as we dig deeper, we'll see there are other more efficient ways of looking at SEO. Apart from anything else, Google is constantly updating its algorithms, usually with words beginning with P like penguin, panda, and pigeon, and that means second guessing Google can get you into trouble. Being effective at SEO means having an up to date understanding of how it works and knowing the core principles that underpin the different strategies. That's where this video series comes in. Keep watching and you'll learn which old, outdated strategies you need to avoid, how to work with Google to get the very best results, and how to future-proof your site for upcoming changes. This is the modern guide to SEO for modern marketers and site owners. This is your SEO Bible and your key to unlocking incredible success on the web. Wait! Before you get started, upgrade to the video version and get better rankings and more traffic faster than ever. First off, I want to thank you for getting your hands on the guide to what's working right now with SEO. You're going to learn a lot and start getting tons of high quality free search engine traffic that will make you a lot of money. But what if I told you there was a shortcut to success with SEO these days? What if there was a way to start seeing results even faster than just by going through a step-by-step guide alone? And what if you could start getting SEO traffic faster and of an even higher quality than ever before? Although the step-by-step guide is extremely easy to follow and is written in a very step-by-step format, Some people learn better by watching than by reading. What about you? Are you a visual learner? Do you prefer to read through a training course, or do you get better results when you can watch something being done? If you're like most people out there, watching a video makes learning much easier. Unfortunately, most people that try to follow a text-based course don't even complete the training. And of those that do complete the training, many struggle to retain what they read and even get results. What if you didn't have to choose between a text-based guide and more in-depth training? What if you could get a complete video training course in addition to the text-based training guide that you purchased? Something that would take you by the hand and give you that next level of training that you need to get the absolute best results possible. The good news is that you're going to get the chance to do just that today. Introducing the video version to the Guide to SEO that you just purchased. Here's the bottom line. I want you to start getting tons of free SEO traffic as quickly and effortlessly as possible. And there are little details that can be the difference in seeing huge results with what's working today with SEO, and ultimately failing to get rankings and traffic. Or even worse. If you do things the wrong way with SEO, not only could you miss out on a lot of traffic, you could even do something that puts you out of favor with the big G. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every single detail that you're being taught inside the training. To make absolutely sure you don't miss any important details when it comes to getting started on SEO methods that work today, getting up and running with minimal time and effort, learning how to quickly get ranked at the top of the search engines, and ultimately get hordes of high-quality traffic that makes you as much money as possible. If you miss just one step in the process in getting rankings and traffic with SEO, you could find yourself wasting a ton of time, missing out on traffic, and possibly even putting the good standing of your sites at risk. Sadly, many people struggle to get the results they hope for with SEO because they try to do things their own way. When you follow what's inside the step-by-step video training inside of this, getting results is easy. Upgrading to the video version pretty much guarantees you learn how to do everything the right way. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you'll get access to this upgrade with special, customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having an SEO expert come into your home or office and show you exactly how to set everything up and see results, it would be easy to charge $500 or more for this upgrade, and it would be worth every penny. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to learn at any time, from anywhere, and get big results quickly and easily. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to do everything from getting started with SEO to rankings and traffic, it's impossible to fail when you make the wise decision to upgrade. Not to mention, you get to test drive this upgrade for the next 30 days. With absolutely zero risk. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send us an email and we'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But please don't wait. This is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to our existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.